as a primary evolutionary path for CPO, NPO, which combines the advantages of high bandwidth density, superior thermal efficiency, and robust maintainability, has become the core choice for breaking through interconnect bottlenecks. Leveraging a forward-looking strategic approach and deep domain expertise, Luxshare-Tech has pioneered the launch of a 3.2 terabit NPO solution that adheres to the OIF 3.2 terabit CPO standard to address demand for high-speed, high-density interconnects in AI data centers, compatible with 51.2 terabit, 102.4 terabit switches and supernode GPU servers. The solution features a maximum power consumption of 26 watts and employs a 32-channel, 100 gigabit PAM4 design. It incorporates a silicon photonics architecture utilizing MZ modulators, operates at a wavelength of 1,310 nanometers, and integrates an external light source module, offering significantly enhanced maintainability. Currently, Luxshare-Tech's 3.2 TNPO solution is undergoing joint development with leading industry partners and is in the testing and validation phase, with mass production set to begin shortly. At the same time, Luxshare-Tech is deeply involved in establishing next-generation NPO&CPO industry standards. Leveraging its robust R&D expertise and advanced manufacturing capabilities, supporting the iteration and upgrades of optical communications in data centers.